Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT question quantifiers. So in today's session, I am going to discuss a very good set, a kind of a DI conditional set, and it involves a lot of permutation and combination. The optimum time to do this set would be around 8 to 10 minutes, but it's a really good set. If you're watching this for the first time, please pause the video and give it a try. Let's see what the set is all about. It says 5 persons, Gautam, Kumar, Lalit, Naren and Raj, joined a company in 2015. Each of the 5 persons joined for a different month salary among 20, 30, 40, 60 and 80,000, not necessarily in the same order. So 5 लोगों की 5 salaries दी हुई हैं. However, each person joined at the beginning of a different month for the year and received his monthly salary each month starting from the month he joined. So if a person is joining in January, he will get a salary of 12 months. If a person is joining in February, he will be receiving a salary of 11 months from the date of joining. Okay. So if a person is getting a salary for 6 months, I can say that he is joining in the 7th month of the year. Okay. So January, March, April, May, June, he will be joining in July. Because from July to August, July to December, okay, July, August, September, October, November, he will be getting 6 salaries. So for 7 salaries, he must be joining in June. For 6 salaries, he must be joining in July, and so on and so forth. Now, the following information is known about the people, and okay, so then there is some information given. Let's move to this part. So I know that there are some people who will be joining in different months. Okay, it's some total salary that they will be drawing. Let's see what it is all about. First of all, it is given to me that no person joined in February, July or October. So February, July and October, nobody joined. Raj joined at least 4 months before Gautam. So Raj is equal to Gautam plus at least 4. ब्रैकेट में लिख दिया कि 4 आएगा, 4 से ज्यादा आएगा, मुझे पता है, ठीक है, 4, 5, 6. Okay. But the total salary that he received was less than the received by Gautam. So Raj received a total salary less than Gautam. Gautam है, his total salary is greater than Raj. Naren, whose monthly salary is 40,000, received a total of 4,80,000. So basically जो salaries थी हमारे पास वो क्या थी? 20, 30, 40, 60 and 80. These were the salaries. हमें दिया हुआ that Naren is not getting 40. So if Naren is not getting 40 and he is drawing a salary of 80,000, and let's say there are only 2 possibilities, 60 and 80, because 30,000 plus 16 months हो जाएगा, साल में 12 ही महीने होते हैं. So the total salary drawn by him can be 60,000 into 8 or 80,000 into 6. If I am saying, let's say he worked for 6 months, and I say then he has to join in July, because the person joining in July is getting a salary for 6 months. So this is not possible case, which means that he is not getting a salary of 80,000. He is getting a salary of 60,000 for how many months? For 8 months. So this belongs to Naren. So Naren is getting a salary of 60,000 for 8 months. And the total salary drawn is 4 lakh. Now, what else is given? Both the monthly salary and the total salary of Kumar in 2015 are greater than those of Gautam. So Kumar की total और monthly दोनों salary ही Gautam से ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, total as well as monthly salary. यहाँ पे सिर्फ total salary की बात थी, okay. And the total salary of Kumar is less than Lalit. So Lalit की जो total salary है वो कुमार से ज़्यादा है, ठीक है. Now I have this much information. Rest everything is an open-ended thing. Let's see what I can predict from it. See, हमें पता है कि राज और गौतम का 4 months का गैप है कम से कम, and राज की total salary गौतम से कम है. So let's try to capitalize upon it because it can give me some points. So what is the salary that Gautam can draw? Can I say Gautam salary cannot be 80,000 because Kumar की salary गौतम से ज़्यादा है. So Gautam salary can be 40 or 30. गौतम सैलरी की दो पॉसिबिलिटी है, गौतम कैन ड्रॉ सैलरी ऑफ 40,000 और 30,000. Let's say Gautam is drawing a salary of 40,000 and Raj is drawing a salary of, let's say, 30,000. Because Raj has to be less than this. Only then Raj working more will be able to achieve less. Then, in how many months will their salary be equal? Okay, if he is working for n plus 4 months at least, how many months they will be equal? A bit of hint trial, 9 and 12. At 9 and 12 they will be equal. So it will be 3,60,000. It will be 3,60,000. Okay. अगर मैं इसको 9 से कम मंथ्स करता हूँ, इसको अगर मैं 8 मंथ्स करता हूँ, तो इट इज 3,20,000. ये वैसी पॉसिबल नहीं है. Why? See, I know that difference has to be less, at least 4. So 9 and 12 is not even possible. At the point where their salaries are getting equal, this is not even possible. Which means if Raj's salary is 30,000, there is not even a single case when Gautam can surpass it. Okay, we can put any value. Let's say I am putting this 7. So if Raj is working for 7 months, the total salary is 2,10,000. In order to surpass him, he needs to work at least 6 months. He working for 7 months and he working for 6 months is not possible because the difference has to be at least 4. So this case is invalid case. Okay. Let's talk about the second case, that if Gautam is, let's say, taking a salary of 30,000 and he is taking a salary of 20,000. And in how many months they will be equal? 8 and 12. So in 8 and 12 they are getting equal. They are not even getting close, they are getting equal. So can I say this is also not possible? Because if I will reduce it, if I reduce 12 to 11, it becomes 2,20,000. I have to keep this value at least 7. So 7 into 2,30,000, 2,10,000. 4 महीने का गैप तो देना ही है मुझे कम से कम. 7 या 7 से कम वैल्यू आएगी, तो ये किसी भी केस में एक्सीड हो ही नहीं पा रहा. So 30 and 20 is also not possible. So if 30 and 20 is also not possible, this means that only one case is possible, that Gautam's salary is 40,000 and Raj's salary is 20,000. These are the only possible cases. Okay. So Raj is getting 20. Raj is getting 20. Gautam is getting 40. And then if Gautam is getting 40, Kumar is getting 80 and Lalit is getting 20. So the salaries to many sort. Okay. Salaries are sorted. Let's try to think about the months now. So if Gautam has to surpass the total salary of Rajat, whatever this person Raj, if Gautam has to surpass the salary of Raj, what is the number of months I can keep for him? Let's think about something. Let's say Raj is working for 12 months. Okay. So Raj को मैं थोड़ा घटा के देखता हूँ. I'll get some values. If Raj is working for 12 months, Raj is getting a salary of 2,40,000. Gautam can work for 8 months or less. If he is working for 8 months, ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर 12 months इसको दिया है तो इसका टाइम पीरियड 4 से कम होना चाहिए, मतलब 4 महीने से ज्यादा गैप होना चाहिए. 8, 7, 6, something like this. At 6 months they will be equal. So 6 is not possible. 6 or values less than 6 is not possible. Only two values are possible, 7 and 8. Right? Can I say 8 is also not possible? Why? Because 8 is already being occupied by Naren. Naren is already working for 8 months. So there is only one possibility in this case, that Gautam is working for 7 months, means Gautam is joining in June and Raj is joining in January. Okay, so this is one possible case if I am making Raj work for 12 months. Let's think about something else now. Let's think that Raj is working for, Raj cannot work for 11 months, okay? Because February में कोई join ही नहीं किया. Raj can work for 10 months. In that case, the salary is 2 lakh. In order to exceed this salary, see, in 5 months it will be equal. So 5 months it will be equal 2 lakh. So he has to work more than 5 months. So he has to work for at least 6 months. And 6 से ज़्यादा वैसे काम नहीं कर सकता, because the difference has to be 4 or more. अगर 10 months के लिए काम कर ही रहा है, the difference has to be 4 or more. So अगर ये 6 months आया मेरे पास यहाँ पे, ठीक है, 6 is also not possible because nobody is joining in July also. So this case is straightforwardly discarded. This case is not even possible. So Raj cannot work for 10 months. So let's see that if Raj is working for some other months. Let's say Raj is working for 9 months. If Raj is working for 9 months, 1,80,000, and Gautam is working for 40,000. So Gautam's salary is 40 into, what should I keep? I should keep a minimum of 5. Okay, because in 4 months it is less. Okay, 5 is possible because 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 is not even possible because the gap will reduce from 4. So 5 is only possible case. So this is another possibility. Yes, this is another possibility. What is the possibility? That Raj is joining here and Gautam is joining here. This is another possibility, right? Okay, so these are the two possibilities as of now. Can Raj work for less than 9 months and still maintain the gap? Raj cannot work for 8 months because Nalin is working for 8 months. If say Raj is working for 7 months, 20 into 7 is 1,40,000. Now Gautam cannot even reach up to this level because Gautam has to work for 3 or less months. Gautam cannot reach at this level. And for all the values less than this, Gautam will not be able to reach this. So there are only 2 cases for Raj and Gautam's position. Okay. Just in case if you want to verify, you can verify by this. 6 months is not possible if Raj is working for 5 months. Gautam has to work for 1 month. Again, the case is not possible. Raj cannot work for 4 months because Gautam will not even exist then. So this case is finished. So there are 2 possibilities. What are the possibilities? The possibilities are Raj is joining in January. In that case, June is Gautam, and Raj is joining in April. In that case, August is Gautam. So these are the 2 cases. Now we have to satisfy the total salary condition also. Total salary सबकी ज़्यादा increasing order में है ये मेरी. So there are 2 possibilities. Let me pick the both one by one. Let's say Raj is working for 12 months. And Gautam is in that case is working for 7 months. So Raj is 20,000, Gautam is 40, Kumar is 80 and he is 30. So 20 into 12 is 240, 40 into 7 is 280. In order to make this salary greater than this, 80 into 4, 320 or a value higher than 4. And then Raj is 30 into 11 or 12. ठीक है, अगर मुझे ललित की सैलरी को कुमार की सैलरी से ज्यादा करना है तो उसको 11 या 12 months काम कराना पड़ेगा. Can I say both are not possible because in February no one is joining and 12 months is already allocated to Raj. Which means if I am taking the case when Raj is working for 12 months, this case does not even exist. ये case exist ही नहीं कर सकता. Which means this is a flop case and this case should not be considered. Which means Raj cannot work here and Gautam cannot work here. So there is only one possibility that Raj is working in April and Raj is working for 9 months and Gautam is working in August for 5 months. So now 9 into 20, 180, 40 into 5 is 200. In order to make him higher, the value should be 3 or more. Okay, let's say if I keep it 3. 80 into 3 is 240. And then 30 into 9 is 270. 9 is not possible because 9 is with Raj. 10 is possible. 30 into 10, 300. Okay. 80 into 3, 240. 40 into 5, 200. Okay. 80 into 3, 240. Lalit is 30 into 9, 270. 9 is not possible. 30 into 10 is 300. And this case comes when Gautam is working for 5 months. Raj is working for 9 months. 20 into 9, 180. Gautam is 40 into 5, 200. In order to exceed 80 into 3. Okay, so this case is also not possible. Why? Because Kumar cannot work for 3 months. See, Kumar cannot work for 3 months because then he will fall in October. So this case is not even possible. So Kumar has to work for 4 months. So if Kumar has to work for 4 months, then 80 into 4 is 320. And for Lalit to surpass him, he has to work for even 11 or 12 months. 11 months is not possible, so only one case is possible, 30 into 12, 360. And this is the only case that exists, nothing else. So what is the final call? That Lalit is working for 12 months. Okay, Lalit is working for 12 months. The salary was 30, the total salary was 3,60,000. And Kumar is working for 4 months, so Kumar is joining in September. The salary drawn is 80,000. Total salary drawn is 3,20,000. And Gautam is 40. Gautam is 40 and works for 5 months, so Gautam is 40. And the salary is 2 lakhs total drawn. And Raj is working for 9 months, 20,000. And the salary drawn is 1,80,000. So this is the net results that we have. Okay. Now let's see what are the questions with us. Okay. What is the total salary received by Kumar? The total salary received by Kumar is 3,20,000. How many person joined before the end of June? June से पहले 3 people joined. In which month did Gautam join the company? Gautam joined in August. And what is the total salary received by Lalit in 2015? Lalit in 2015 is our 3,60,000. So this completes my conditional DI, and in fact it is a very good set. I hope you guys have understood. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day.